My next series is going to be on my 6 face cloth designs. I have 6 different ones, starting with 2 very basic, easy patterns. This is one of them, and that one up here. They're fairly easy to do. We'll do those 2 first, and then we'll go to the intermediate one, which is this one, which is kind of like a woven basket. And this one's, I think, called Bluebells. It's really cute the way the little bells work out, super easy. Then we'll go to the more experienced ones, which is this one, which is mostly laces with SSKs and knit 2 togethers. And the last one is this one here, which takes a lot of concentration because, as you can see here, there's knits, yarn overs, knit 2 together, pass slip stitch over, a variety of different stitches. So we're going to go through each one by one. I'm going to get started tomorrow on the very first one, which is this, which is very basic and simple. I'm not sure if I'm going to make the whole face cloth or if I'm just going to make a small version, like a 3 to 4 inch square version. I'm still debating on that. If you want to leave a little note under comments to say you'd rather me do the little small 3 to 4 inch version or the complete 7 inch version, which is the size, I believe, of the actual face cloths. I don't think I ever wrote on it exactly what their size is. I still have one left at my shop. I'll bring that with me when I start my very first one, which is this. So stay tuned, and we will do a series of 6 knit face cloths next.